How to reverse a video in Capcut. First is to open your Capcut app and then choose the video or template that you want. What you're going to do next is by clicking on this video or this clip. So you may click on this part right here or click directly on the frame you see on your screen. And then on the toolbars right here on the bottom, you just swipe left like this one and look for the reverse option. So on the fourth to the last option, you may see reverse. Simply click on it and then you should wait for it to load. So the loading will depend on how much or how big your video or how long your video is. So you should patiently wait for it until it is done. And now your video will be reversed. So that's it. That's how you can reverse a video in CapCut. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.